Welcome to Tech Research. In this video, we will see how to translate FaceTime call one language to another language. For example, Spanish to English. If someone can speak me in Spanish language in FaceTime call, so I can translate the live translation point of view as an English language, which language I am understanding accordingly. How to do it? Let's see. So now let's start how to translate FaceTime call one language to another language. It's very easy. So first of all, I just simply enter here the call, FaceTime call myself, and I receive the FaceTime call. Yes, I am receiving here. So look at this here, how to translate the language. It's easy. Just simply click here, three dot. Here, the live translation beta version is available. Depend upon which mobile phone you have, 15, 16 or 17. I have 17. If I click here, you should select the language from language to which language accordingly. So I select here Spanish to English and start the conversation. And if I'm speaking here the in English language or Spanish language, so this translation is automatically disabled in my phone. It's very easy. Both phone is available on smartphone, like in 15, 16, 17 in between. This is 17 and this is the 14. That's why here the live translation is not showing. But if you have 15, 16, 17, so this feature is using this process, you can very easily enable and change the language. If I'm speaking in English, so receive here Spanish. If someone speak in Spanish, I am receiving in English language. So which language is preferable, accordingly you should decide. Apart from that, here different languages is also available. Which language you are comfortable and suitable, accordingly you should select and enjoy this feature in FaceTime call. If you really like these tips and tricks, so before leaving, please share this video and subscribe our YouTube channel Tech Research. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.